Do you dream of financial freedom, but it always seems out of reach? What if I told you there are simple habits that can put you on the path to riches? Today, we're going to reveal 11 simple money habits that can transform your financial life and make you richer than you ever thought possible. Please watch the video until the end, because the last habit is the most important one. Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. Let's begin. Habit 1. Don't use cash. In today's increasingly digital world, there are numerous advantages to using electronic payment methods like credit and debit cards instead of cash. One of the most significant benefits is the ability to track your expenses easily and accurately. When you pay with cash, it can be challenging to remember how much you've spent and on what. This makes it difficult to keep a clear picture of your financial habits and identify areas where you can cut back or make changes. On the other hand, using credit or debit cards allows you to access a record of all your transactions, making it much easier to analyze your spending habits. By using electronic payment methods, you'll have a detailed log of where your money is going, which can help you make better financial decisions. This information can be invaluable in guiding you to adjust your spending habits and avoid overspending in certain areas. Additionally, most banks and credit card companies offer mobile apps and online tools that can help you categorize and monitor your expenses, further simplifying the process. Habit 2. Spend 5 to 10 minutes every night auditing your spendings. One of the keys to achieving financial success is to keep a close eye on your expenses. To do this effectively, it's important to develop a habit of consistently monitoring your spending. A simple yet powerful way to accomplish this is by dedicating just 5 to 10 minutes of your time each night to audit your spendings. Before you go to bed, open up your banking app or financial tracking tool and review the transactions you made throughout the day. By doing this daily, you'll be able to spot any patterns or unnecessary expenses that could be eating away at your budget. This nightly routine will also help you stay aware of your spending habits, which can be crucial in making better financial decisions moving forward. Habit 3. Set a budget for everything. One of the most effective ways to manage your finances and build wealth is to create a budget for every aspect of your life. By allocating specific amounts for different categories of expenses, you'll have a clear understanding of your financial limits and be more likely to stay within those boundaries. First, take a moment to evaluate your monthly income and expenses. Then break down your expenses into different categories, such as housing, utilities, food, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Assign a specific budget to each category based on your financial goals and priorities. Remember to be realistic and leave some wiggle room for unexpected expenses that may arise. Once you have set your budget, it's important to monitor your spending closely to ensure you're staying within your limits. Track your expenses and compare them to your budget regularly. If you find yourself consistently exceeding your budget in a certain category, consider making adjustments to your spending habits or reallocating funds from other areas. Setting a budget for everything also extends to special occasions and events, like vacations or holiday shopping. Determine how much you can afford to spend on these activities and stick to your budget. This will help you avoid overspending or dipping into your savings, which can derail your financial progress. Habit 4. Automate your investments. Growing your wealth over time is crucial for achieving financial success, and one of the best ways to do that is by consistently investing in assets, like stocks or mutual funds. To make this process as effortless as possible and ensure you stay on track, consider automating your investments. First, set up a regular investment plan with a brokerage account or robo-advisor. Determine how much you want to invest each month, as well as the asset allocation that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Many platforms allow you to set up automatic transfers from your bank account, making it easy to consistently invest without any extra effort on your part. Automating your investments has several benefits. For one, it removes the emotional component of investing, which can often lead to poor decision-making. By setting up a regular investment plan, you're less likely to make impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Another advantage of automating your investments is the power of dollar-cost averaging. This strategy involves consistently investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this approach can help you build a well-diversified portfolio and reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments. Lastly, automating your investments encourages a long-term approach to wealth building. Regularly investing small amounts over a long period allows you to take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly increase your wealth over time. Habit 5. Negotiate whenever you can. Negotiation is a powerful skill that can lead to better financial outcomes in various aspects of your life, from securing a higher salary to getting a better deal on a purchase. It's important to develop the habit of negotiating whenever possible, as it can save you money and help you achieve your financial goals. Let's start with job interviews. When discussing your salary and benefits package, don't be afraid to negotiate for higher pay or additional perks. Remember, the employer has already expressed interest in you, and it's in their best interest to come to an agreement that satisfies both parties. Research the industry standards for your position and present a well-reasoned case for your desired salary. Even a modest increase in pay can make a significant difference over time. Another area where negotiation can be beneficial is when making large purchases, such as a car or a house. Don't simply accept the asking price. Instead, do your research and determine a fair market value for the item. Make a reasonable counteroffer and be prepared to justify it. By negotiating, you can save thousands of dollars on a single purchase. Negotiation isn't limited to major transactions either. In many situations, you can negotiate for better deals on products and services. For example, when shopping for a new phone plan or cable package, contact the provider and see if they can offer you a better deal than what's advertised. Similarly, when working with contractors or freelancers, discuss your budget and see if you can negotiate a lower rate. Of course, it's important to approach negotiations with a fair and respectful attitude. Aim for a win-win outcome, where both parties feel satisfied with the agreement. Developing strong negotiation skills and the habit of negotiating whenever possible can lead to significant financial benefits throughout your life, helping you save money and achieve your financial goals. Habit 6. Check the lower shelves in stores. When shopping for groceries and other items, it's crucial to be mindful of the placement of products within the store. Retailers often place more expensive items at eye level, enticing customers to purchase them without considering more affordable options. To save money and make smarter shopping decisions, get into the habit of checking the lower shelves in stores. Stores and supermarkets invest in research to understand consumers' habits and preferences, designing their layouts strategically to maximize profits. They know that most shoppers are more likely to grab items that are within easy reach, which is why they place higher-priced items at eye level. However, by simply looking down and checking the lower shelves, you can often find more cost-effective alternatives. Lower-priced items are typically placed on the bottom shelves, where they're less visible and harder to reach. These products are often just as good in terms of quality, but they don't have the same marketing budget or packaging design as their more expensive counterparts. By taking the time to browse the lower shelves, you're likely to discover better deals and save money on your shopping trips. Habit 7. Don't brag about your wealth. While it might be tempting to show off your financial success, doing so can actually work against you. When people know you have money, they tend to expect more from you, whether it's picking up the tab at dinner or giving expensive gifts. This can lead to unnecessary spending and strain on your finances. Instead, adopt a more modest approach to discussing your financial situation. Focus on being humble and grateful for what you have, rather than flaunting your wealth. This attitude can help you maintain a frugal mindset, avoid lifestyle inflation, and ultimately, continue on your path to financial success. Habit 8. Surround yourself with like-minded people. When you're working towards financial success, it's crucial to have a support network that shares your values and goals. By surrounding yourself with people who also prioritize saving, investing, and living frugally, you can learn from their experiences and be inspired by their accomplishments. This kind of environment can help keep you motivated and on track, even when the going gets tough. Joining online communities, such as personal finance forums or social media groups, can be a great way to connect with others who share your financial aspirations. You can also attend local meetups or workshops focused on personal finance topics. By engaging with others who are on a similar path, you'll find encouragement, accountability, and valuable insights to help you reach your financial goals. Habit number 9. Avoid cheap shoes. You might be wondering how this is related to becoming rich. Well, when we say cheap, we're not talking about the price tag. Instead, we're referring to the quality. A cheap, low-quality pair of shoes might seem like a bargain at first, but they're likely to wear out much faster than a well-made, more expensive pair. In the long run, you'll end up spending more money replacing those cheap shoes multiple times. Investing in high-quality shoes that last for years is a smarter choice. Not only will you save money by not having to buy new shoes as often, but you'll also enjoy greater comfort and support, which can be invaluable if you're on your feet a lot. The same principle applies to clothes as well. Invest in well-made, long-lasting items to save money and reduce waste. Habit number 10. Avoid your local grocery store. It's true that shopping at your local corner store is convenient. It's just a few steps away and doesn't require you to travel far. However, these small stores often charge higher prices for groceries compared to bigger supermarkets. Although the price difference might not seem significant at first, it can add up over time and impact your budget. Instead, try to do the majority of your grocery shopping at larger supermarkets, where prices are generally lower. Buying in bulk can also help you save money on items you regularly use. While it might take some extra time and effort to travel to the supermarket and stock up, the savings you'll enjoy are well worth it. Plus, shopping in bulk means fewer trips to the store, which can also save you time in the long run. Habit number 11. Think twice before paying. Impulsive spending is a common issue that can significantly impact our finances. To curb the urge to buy unnecessary items and make more mindful spending decisions, it's essential to develop the habit of thinking twice before paying. In today's consumer-driven world, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of a purchase, only to later regret it. Before you hand over your credit card or cash, take a moment to ask yourself some key questions. Do I really need this item? Is it a want or a need? Can I find it at a better price elsewhere? Am I making this purchase to satisfy an emotional need or to fill a genuine gap in my life? By taking the time to consider these questions, you give yourself the opportunity to make more informed decisions and potentially avoid unnecessary spending. It's important to remember that saving money isn't just about cutting back on major expenses. It's also about making smarter choices when it comes to everyday spending. Additionally, thinking twice before paying can help you become more aware of your spending triggers and patterns. Are you more likely to make impulsive purchases when you're feeling stressed, tired, or bored? Recognizing these emotional triggers can help you develop healthier coping mechanisms and avoid using shopping as a means of self-soothing. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the Finance Bowl for more money and investing tips. Until next time.